to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi calling on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Phone App. After click on Phone App, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down and you will see Wi-Fi calling is here. If you want to turn off Wi-Fi calling, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Wi-Fi calling is turn off. If you want to turn on Wi-Fi calling, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Wi-Fi calling is turn on. You will turn on or turn off Wi-Fi calling from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Wi-Fi calling on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.